Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Huggins. I wanted to give you a quick little video with a few tips about how to work with multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. This is a concept we have just introduced and the kids are catching on really well, but I thought I'd give you a little hint, a little tip that might make it a little easier if your child is struggling with this concept. The first thing I like to do, I don't know if you can see this, is get, a lot of kids work really well with this centimeter grid paper, if you can see that. I have plenty here if your child needs some, or you can print some out at home. I just Google centimeter grid paper and you can print out many different versions, but it just helps the kids keep everything lined up. You have your ones in the right place and your tens in the right place. So I want to just kind of go through how I like to work with kids through this so they can visualize it. It makes it a little easier to see. So our kids know how to multiply a one-digit number by a two and even a three-digit number. Sometimes when we introduce this tens place, the kids get a little thrown off. They understand that we are multiplying 4 tens by 7 and 4 tens by 3, but writing that on this next line can be a little bit daunting and they get a little confused. So what I like to do is use just a simple piece of construction paper. You can use a bead, you can use a little stone, a sticker, whatever you find easiest. But I like to bring it over here and just cover up the number I'm not working with, because when kids see this, 37 times 9, that's something they recognize. That's something easy to work with. So they can easily see 9 times 6 is 63. We carry the 6. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 6 more is 33. Now, once we're done with the ones column, we're going to move it over and expose the tens column. I'm going to cross out that 6 that we used with the ones, and because this 4 is not just a 4, it's 4 in the tens place, we no longer need that ones place. So we come down here and we like to put a little smiley face to show that we're now moving on to a bigger and more impressive, harder place value, because we are third graders and that's an awesome thing. So that's why we like to decorate our little zero. So now you can see this is still looks like a two-digit number by a one-digit number. It no longer is confusing because you've gotten this 9 over here with it and it's a lot going on. It just simplifies it. But the 4 is just in the tens place. But now because we put our 0 here, we can just start recording as normal. So 4 times 7 is going to be 28, and we're going to carry that 2 above. And then 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. And when you're done, you can kind of pull that away, and you can see we've made like a little bow tie, and that's how you'll know if you've multiplied all the digits by all the digits on the top. If you don't have a bow tie there when you're done, then you know you've missed something. And then once I'm done, I just come down here and I just add. Simple as that. 3 plus 8 makes 11, 4 plus 4 makes 8, and 1 plus nothing makes 1. That's our answer. So this little guy right here, my favorite thing. Use it to cover up whatever you're not working with until you feel comfortable doing it without it. Centimeter grid paper, also another great little thing to supplement to keep your digits in order and not get confused. So hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.